to kiss you. Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say?